Hi everyone, I am K.Harshith. Today I am here to explain how to balance a chemical equation with the help of ion-electron method. So in my previous video I have explained how to balance the equation with the help of hit and trial method. Now this is the ion-electron method that we are going to follow. Here, what is the basic fundamental that we are going to use in the balancing a chemical equation by ion-electron method is we are finding out we are having certain steps how to balance a particular equation by ion electron method. I will be explaining all the steps in detail. So the equation that is given to us is Cr2O7 minus 2 plus SO2 in acidic medium, because it's H plus in H plus medium means in acidic medium it is giving Cr plus 3 and SO4 minus 2. First, the basic step that you need to follow is you need to follow which element is undergoing oxidation, which element is undergoing reduction. How to find out it is, first find out the charge of chromium in this, charge of sulfur in this, then the charge of sulfur in this. How to find out? I am we can find out orally here how to do, but as it's the first example for us, I am giving here how to find out. First, write down the element Cr2O7 minus 2. This is the total charge, not the charge of oxygen. It is the total charge given for whole Cr2O7. So Cr2O7 2 minus. We know that oxygen's charge is minus 2. 7 is there. 7 into each charge is minus 2. 7 into minus 2 plus 2 chromiums. 2 into, we don't know the charge of chromium, we are finding out the charge of chromium, so x, 2 into x. The total charge given to us is minus 2. We need to consider this as the total charge, then only we can find out the charge of chromium. So chromium, total charge of chromium of Cr2O7 is minus 2. Now with this we can find out the charge of chromium. So 2x minus 14 minus 2. This is the simple algebraic simplification that is there. This is the chromium is plus 6. Next, coming to sulfur or SO2. For SO2 also same. SO2, we know that oxygen is minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 plus only 1 sulfur. X is equals to total charge we don't have. So we imagine the total charge as 0. 0. So here is equals to 0. So again this simple algebraic simplification, so you get sulfur charge as plus 4. Similarly, they have given us the charge already, Cr is plus 3, then here SO4, let us do orally. Each oxygen is minus 2, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, minus 8 going that side becomes plus 8, plus 8 minus 2 gives us plus 6, so sulfur is only 1, so plus 6 by 1, that is plus 6. Let us do and check also once again so that it clarifies our doubt. So SO4 x plus 4 into minus 2 is equals to 0. I mean minus 2, sorry. Minus 2. Next, x minus 8 minus 2, x minus 2 plus 8, x is equals to plus 6. We got here plus 6. So we got all the charges of the elements present. So here sulfur is plus 6, here sulfur is plus 4, here chromium is plus 6. Okay, now here how to find out whether it is undergoing oxidation or reduction. Cr is plus 6, on the product side it is plus 3. There is the decrease in the number, Henceforth we can say that this is reduction. Here sulfur is plus 4 and the product side it is becoming plus 6. Can I say there is some increase in the oxidation number? So henceforth this process is oxidation. That's it. First step, step 1 is to identify reduction side and oxidation side or oxidation half. The first step is done. We got that Cr2O7 to Cr plus 3 is a reduction. SO2 to SO4 minus 2 is oxidation. Now second step. Step 2. What is step 2? Separate oxidation and reduction half. Separate both the oxidation and the reduction half. This side I am writing reduction half. This side I am writing oxidation half. Okay, reduction half, oxidation half. Write down the reduction reaction this side, the oxidation reaction this side. What is the reduction reaction? That is, we are having Cr2O7 minus 2 is changing to Cr plus 3. This minus 2 is the total charge. We are not taking the individual charge. What is the use of finding out the charge of chromium here is just to identify whether it's reduction or oxidation. That's the only purpose. After that, we don't require this number. Only we require the total charge. Total charge 0. Total charge plus 3. Total charge minus 2. That is given in the question. So we cannot ignore that part. Now coming to this. Here, chromium first, the second step. Second step is to separate oxidation and reduction half. Step 3. Here I already taken oxidation. SO2 to SO4 2 minus. Okay, done. Next, coming to step 3. What is step 3 here? Balance element other than oxygen and hydrogen. Balance elements other than hydrogen and oxygen. So what is the element that we are having here other than oxygen and hydrogen? It is only chromium. Here 2 chromium, but here only 1 chromium. How to balance? Cr2O7 2 minus changing to 2 times Cr plus 3. Now see, 2 Crs here, 2 Crs here, balanced. Element other than oxygen and hydrogen are balanced. Coming to this. Here sulfur is 1, here sulfur is 1, 1. No need of balance in the element. So it remains the same. SO2 changing to SO4 2 minus. This is the third step. Coming to fourth step. Step 4. What does step 4 say? Balance the element oxygen. So step 4 is balance oxygen. Balance oxygen. How are we balancing oxygen here is by adding number of H2O molecules. Now here I am saying Cr2O7, here no oxygen is present. So on the product side, what I will do is O7 minus 2, 2Cr plus 3 plus 7 oxygens are lacking on the product side. So I will add 7 hydrogen molecules. 7 H2O. Done. This balances oxygen. Next, coming to this side. Here 2 oxygens, here 4 oxygens. On the reactant side, 2 oxygens are lacking. So on the reactant side, what I will do? I will add 2 water molecules. I'll add 2 water molecules on the reactant side. Here in the reduction half, I added on the product side. Here, I add on the reactant side. So this is our step 4. So step 1 is identification of the reduction and the oxidation half. Step 2 is separation of the oxidation and the reduction half. Step 3 is balancing elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. Step 4 is balancing of the oxygen. Coming to step 5. Step 5 is balancing element hydrogen. We have balanced element other than hydrogen and oxygen. We have balanced oxygen. Now step 5 is balance hydrogen. Balance hydrogen. How to balance hydrogen? Now here I will write the equation that I got. 2Cr plus 3 7H2. This is the reaction, the reduction reaction. Now here there are 7 2s of 14 hydrogens present. So on the reactant side 14 hydrogens are lacking. Oxygens were lacking on this side. So we added this side. Now adding oxygen this side made the reactant lose hydrogen. So to balance the amount of hydrogen on the reactant side, we will add the same number of H plus ions. So here 7 2s are 14 hydrogens are lacking. So I will add 14 H plus ions to make it balance. Now see here, chromium 2 balanced. Hydrogen 4 14, 7 2s are 14 balanced. Oxygen 7 oxygen balanced. Now the sixth step is to balance the charges. Sorry, we forgot to do this one on the oxidation half. So SO2 plus 2H2O gives SO4 minus 2. This is for the reduction half. Now, how to balance this side? Same procedure here also. Same procedure. Here you see here we are having to do 4 hydrogens. Here hydrogen is lacking on the product side. So SO2 plus 2H2O gives SO4 minus 2 plus 4 2 2s are 4 4H plus ions. Done. Here also one sulfur balanced. 2 plus 1 2 plus 2 ones are 2 4 oxygens. Here 4 oxygens balanced. 2 2s are 4 H plus ions balanced. Sulfur is balanced, hydrogen is balanced, oxygen is balanced. Here chromium, oxygen, hydrogen all are balanced. Now coming to step 6. What is step 6? Balance the charges by adding electrons. This is the most interesting step in the whole procedure. Coming to this equation, Cr2O7 2 minus 14 H plus giving 2 Cr plus 3 7H2. Now here there are total, here minus 2 is the charge total. Here 14 ones are 14 plus charge here. So minus 2 is the charge for chromium Cr2O7 and for 14H plus 14 is the charge. So can I say the total charge for both of them is plus 12? Yes, plus 12. Coming to this. 2 3s are plus 6 plus 0 means, can I say plus 6 is the charge here, where I should add the electrons to make them balance. Here if I add 6 electrons, suppose say I am adding 6 electrons, means can I say is it becoming 12 minus 6, which is plus 6, plus 6 plus 6 are balanced. Suppose say I am adding 6 electrons this side. 6 electrons plus 6 electrons will give 0. So we have to be very careful while balancing the charges. We have to check on which side, on adding what we are getting what. So here 12 plus 12, 4 plus 12, if I add 6 electrons it will give plus 6, and here you have plus 6. So the need of 6 electrons is on the reactant side for the reduction half. So this is done by plus 6 electrons on the reduction side. Coming to oxidation half. Now when we talk about oxidation half, the same thing again. Here SO2 plus 2H2O plus, gives rise to SO4 minus 2 plus 4H plus. Now balance the charges. 2 0 0 0 is the charge. Total charge is 0. Here minus 2 plus 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 4. So can I say plus 2? For plus 2, if I add 2 electrons, will it be minus 2? Plus 2 plus 2 electrons will give me 0. Yes, plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So the need of 2 electrons is on the product side for the oxidation half. So we have to add here 2 electrons. Done. Charges are balanced. Now this I am calling as the first equation. This I am calling as the second equation. Now sixth step is combining the oxidation and the reduction halves, or combining equation 1 and 2. What's the equation 1 that we are having? Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electrons gives 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. This is the first equation. Second equation, SO2 2H2O gives SO4 minus 2 4H plus 2 electrons. Now see, on the both on the reduction side and on the oxidation side, the number of electrons are not same. Here there are 6 electrons, while here there are only 2 electrons. We have to make the electrons cancel. How to cancel electrons? If I multiply this whole equation with 3, this whole equation with 3 2s are 6 electrons, 6 electrons, both gets cancelled. So what I am doing, multiply second equation with 3. We have to find the suitable number and multiply so that the electrons are not coming in the final reaction, which means the electrons must be cancelled. So again, Cr2O7 minus 2 14H plus 6 electrons 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O 3SO2 plus 3 2s are 6H2O. You have to multiply this 3 with all the elements present in the reaction. Gives rise to 3SO4 minus 2. 4 3s are 12 H plus ions plus 3 2s are 6 electrons. 12 H plus 6 electrons. Now see here, plus 6 6 electrons here gets cancelled. Electrons are cancelled. Now write down all the compounds that you are getting. Odd one. Here Cr2O7. Here we don't have Cr2O7. So Cr2O7 minus 2 will come as it is. 3SO2. We don't have SO2 on both the sides, so it will come as it is. Now coming to H plus. Here you have H plus. Here you have H plus. Where you have more amount of H plus? Here. So here I get the difference of these two. 14 minus 12 is 2. 2H plus. Where on the where the H plus ions are more, on that side you get plus 2. 2H plus gives rise to, here SO4 is uncommon, minus 2 plus 2Cr plus 3 plus coming to hydrogen molecule. H2O here, H2O here. Where more, here more. So here how much? 7 minus 6? 1 H2O. So 1 H2O molecule. So what is the final balanced equation that we are getting? Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 3SO2 plus 2H plus gives rise to 3SO4 minus 2 plus 2Cr plus 3 plus 1 H2O. This is the final balanced equation. Now how to check whether it's correct or not? Here total charge is minus 2 plus 2 2s are 2, which is nothing but 0. Yes, coming to this, 3 2s are minus 6, 3 2s are plus 6, 0. Total charge here and here are same, that is a 0. So this equation is the correct equation. This is the method how we can check whether our balanced equation is correct or not. How? By checking the number of total charge present on it. This is the way how we balance an equation with the help of ion electron method. So in my next video we will do some more examples on this method in a very fast time. Now I have taken so much time because we are explaining it, correct? In next video we will do examples, so we'll be very quick and within few steps we'll complete the whole equation. So I hope you understood how to balance the equation with the ion electron method. If not, don't worry, you will be understanding it soon by practicing examples. Thank you everyone.